Assalamu alaikum. We have Mr. Munish Khan with us, who's the CEO of Health Reactive from India. It is one of the really very interesting brands which we are going to ask about to him. So let's begin.
Thank you for having me here. Good to be here.
Well, I want to know first of all that what motivated you to bring Body Revival to Dubai and how has the journey been so far?
See, Dubai is very exciting place to launch Body Revival because of its diverse and health conscious population.
Uh-huh.
We believe that Ayurveda with its holistic approach will offer something unique here. And journey has been really rewarding so far and we are excited to see how the community responds to Body Revival.
Wow, mashallah, that's amazing to know. Well, could you please briefly explain me that what Body Revival is all about?
Body Revival is a natural supplement and based on this principle of Ayurveda. It was created by our company founder, Mr. Munir Khan, and it is made of Ayurvedic and natural ingredients.
I really want to know that what ingredients are there in Body Revival and how actually it helps us in wellness.
As I said, Body Revival is made of natural and Ayurvedic ingredients such as Bluma lacera, Eagle marmelos, Cocomis melon, and honey as its base. Now, instead of me telling you how these ingredients work, there's a US government's database called PubMed. Any common person can go there and type botanical name of these ingredients and they'll be able to find the research done on these ingredients and they'll be able to see which university, which scientist has done research on these natural ingredients and how these ingredient works on health benefits on human body.
Wow, that's really very interesting to know. That's very thoughtful of you. Mr. Monish, please tell me that how come Body Revival meets all the international standards, especially for a marketplace like Dubai?
We are committed to safety and quality protocols. So the product Body Revival is manufactured in a facility that follows strict quality controls protocols. Now the product Body Revival is registered here in Dubai market as a natural supplement, ensuring that it complies with the local regulations, standards, and it's for safety and efficacy of the product.
Oh, wow. That's great to know. I feel really confident about the product
Yes.
and I just can't wait to implement it on my daily routine. So again, I'm curious to know that how can we incorporate this product on our daily routine?
See, it's very easy to incorporate Body Revival in someone's daily routine. Any adult person can consume Body Revival. They just need to follow the instructions mentioned on the label. But if someone wants to use it for a specific reason or as an ad in their ongoing treatment, it's always good to consult a healthcare professional.
Oh, Mr. Munish, that's really very interesting to know. But I really want to know that as you're already aware, that Dubai is a place where people believe in healthy, holistic, natural lifestyle. So, Body Revival as a product, how can it align with the holistic lifestyle which already exists here in Dubai?
It's a very good question. See, people here in Dubai are becoming more and more interested in natural and holistic wellness solution. So Body Revival, aligned with this trend, offers a natural supplement that is rooted in Ayurveda. Now, Ayurveda is a system that focuses on balance and overall well-being. I would say in short, it's all about bringing century-old wisdom to this modern world.
Oh, wow, centuries old. But does Ayurveda actually have a place here in Dubai?
Ayurveda basically focuses on balance and overall wellness, as I said in my previous answer. That fits well with the fast-paced lifestyle of Dubai. And many people here are looking for ways to enhance their wellness through natural and sustainable way. And that's what Ayurveda offers. It offers balance and connection between mind, body, and spirit.
Mr. Manish, what kind of feedback are you receiving from Dubai market?
The feedback have been really encouraging and people are really appreciating the natural ingredients here. And the beauty about Dubai is that people here, they work but they work out. They are health conscious and they're keen towards the natural and holistic wellness solutions. And that's what Body Revival offers. So the feedback have been really amazing.
Mr. Manish, are there any misconceptions about the product or Ayurveda which you would like to address to our audience?
Yeah, there's one common misconception about Ayurveda that it's only about traditional remedies or outdated practice. But in reality, Ayurveda is very much living science that can complement modern wellness approaches. See, Ayurveda work on preventive health and overall wellness, and that's what people around the world, including Dubai, are looking for.
Oh, lovely. That's really very interesting to know. I'm sure till now the audience is very curious to know that what are your future plans with the product?
We are planning to expand the reach of Body Revival in Dubai market and beyond this market, and we are being connected with distributors and sub distributors, and soon everyone will be able to find Body Revival in the store near them.
That's amazing to know. I'm really very excited to use the product. Can I get it today somewhere?
Yes, of course. If you want to get Body Revival, you just need to go and search and type Body Revival Dubai. You will be getting our links. You can purchase it online, or if someone wants to purchase it through a store, so Tibin Abhi is our sole distributor as of now. You can go to the store and purchase Body Revival.
Well, Mr. Munish Khan, thank you so much for coming. I'm going to rush to buy the product as soon as possible for me, my family, and friends. And I also encourage to all of you, my lovely audience, to do try it out because it's really very beneficial. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Munish Khan.
Thank you for inviting me here, Sadia. It was pleasure being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.